right, so first step is integral rules. The negative is going to come straight down. The 6 is going to take along. The u to the first, we're going to say that that is natural log absolute value of u. So using our integral rules, we'll have -6 natural log absolute value of u. Then, because we have these bounds from 7 to 4, we are going to put a bracket and then the 7 and the 4. And here is where I'm going to plug in my upper bound minus my lower bound. So my upper bound is 4, so it's going to be -6 natural log absolute value of 4 minus, and then my lower bound is 7. So -6 natural log absolute value of 7. Now, they don't want a decimal approximation, they just want it in terms of natural log. One thing you'll notice here is that the absolute value of 4 is just 4, right? There's no need to keep those absolute values. So you can just write this as natural log of 4 without the absolute values because the 4 is already positive. Then you have a negative times a negative, so that gives you a positive, and then 6 natural log. Same thing is true for natural log of 7. That is simply 7. So you have natural log of 7. So that should be sufficient. You could technically factor out a GCF. So you could factor out a -6, and that would give you natural log of 4 minus natural log of 7 as your factored out GCF. But either of those would be fine for a test question.